What? Okay. Somebody's on the stage now. My wife, Lise is not. Where's Lee? Where's my wife? I'm here, but she's not here. And there's a band on the stage. There's Main Street over there. Well, let's keep looking for her. Maybe we find Tim Tracker as well. So, looking for Tim Tracker and my wife. Let's find out. Stay tuned. There'll be a whole series of looking for my wife and Tim Tracker. Well, I'm looking for my wife, Lise, at Splash Mountain, but it looks like Splash Mountain is permanently closed. Right, guys?
I like how they like walled it off here.
See, they're looking for Lise too. Lise.
It's here, right here. So that's.
Have you guys seen the Tracker, Tim Tracker? No? Okay. Well, guess we'll keep looking. Splash Mountain's closed. Let's see what else we can get on her. Well, I think I might figure out where she's hiding. She's probably on Tom Sawyer's Island. So let's go find my wife on Tom Sawyer's Island. Maybe we'll see Tim Tracker. Who knows? Let's go find her. Could you be hiding in this mine? There's a sign right there. So maybe we should give this mine a try. Okay, let's find out. Lise? Are you in here, Lise? 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 Where are you? Ooh, scary. Oh, it's a mine, all right. It's a mine. Lise, are you? Lise, are you in here, Lise? Okay. Hello? Anybody in here? Oh my goodness. Why is everything leaning? Whoa. Hello? Lise, are you in here, Lise? What? Ooh. There's a water. Okay. That's interesting. Uh-huh. Hello? Hello? There's a waterfall and ooh, look, it's nice. Ooh. That's kind of cool. Wow. But no Lise. Where's my wife? Hello? Lise, where are you? Hello? We found. Ooh, that's a long tunnel. Oh. Gotta walk down this long tunnel. Hold on. It's not a long tunnel, it's getting smaller. This tunnel's getting smaller. Alright, gotta go this way. Oh, I see light. But I don't see Lise. Oh no. Nope. No Lise. Alright, well, we will continue the search for Lise somewhere else on Tom Sawyer's Island. Maybe Tim Tracker too.